That was a really good shower.
I really need to shave.
An aluminum-free Dove deodorant, and it helps to exfoliate your skin. So I don't know if it was the packaging or just the word souffle that got me. Diastasis. I'm so proud of the Dollar Tree. I'm so proud of y'all. Just so proud. That was a good shower. That was a really good shower. So now that we're fresh out the shower, the only thing I've done so far is put on my robe and put on my shower headband. So this is my first time wearing this shower headband, and y'all, it is so soft. My last shower headband, I think I got it from Ross or Marshalls, and I mean, the brand was really good, but it definitely didn't feel like this. My face is freshly washed. I haven't put any products on. Before I use any type of products on my skin, I'm going to go ahead and use this. Okay, so some of the benefits of dry brushing: it helps to exfoliate your skin, not your face, just your body. And also this is to help boost your circulation of your blood flow. So for somebody like me who has a prior history of blood clotting, I think this is really, really good and something that I should implement into like my daily self-care routine. For those of you who are familiar with, how do you pronounce this? Diastasis? Recti. You know, when your stomach muscles, basically they don't push all the way back in after you have a baby, they just kind of bulge out, and then you have that gap. It's like a 2 or 3 finger separation gap in the middle of your stomach. But I know that I have a lot of loose skin and a lot of stretch marks. I found a few videos on YouTube, and there's like tons of women swearing by dry brushing. They said if you're struggling with stretch marks, dry brushing is the way to go. It feels really good. It's soft, but you know, I feel the abrasion, so it's gonna do something. Just gonna keep on going all the way around. So now that we're done with our dry brushing, I'm going to start applying products, okay? So this is my favorite part. First product we will be using from the Dollar Tree is this Dove deodorant. I've seen Dove deodorants at the Dollar Tree before, but I have never, ever seen an aluminum-free Dove deodorant. This is my first time seeing an aluminum-free Dove deodorant at the Dollar Tree. They had another brand. It was like Ladies Speed Steak or something like that, and it was aluminum free, and they carried it for a few years, and I have not seen that. In like the past 2 years, I haven't seen any more aluminum free deodorants in the Dollar Tree. Why am I so late to the Dove deodorant trend? Like, where have I been? This smells amazing, y'all. I literally have fallen in love with Dove deodorant, the original scent. I don't think I'll ever use another deodorant again. I really need to shave. It just smells so good, but I really need to shave my armpits. I don't know why I didn't do that in the shower. Our armpits, it just smells so rich. Like, it just smells luxurious. It smells rich. Like, I don't know why I have not been using Dove deodorant. Body moisturizer that I chose. Honestly, all the other lotions that I saw at the Dollar Tree, from what I could tell, they were super watery, and that's just a no. It's a coconut and wild berries body souffle. So I don't know if it was the packaging or just the word souffle that got me. This will be my second or third time using it. Honestly, why didn't I throw this part out? Honestly, smell wise, it smells like vanilla. It smells like a very, very light hint of vanilla with like a drop of coconut. I don't really get berries, but it just smells like a very light vanilla scent. So if you're not big on like heavily scented or heavily fragrant, if you don't like products that smell too strong, then this will work for you. It's not as watery as the ones I saw, at least. The other ones, like, they literally, like, when I was shaking it, it just sounded like pure water. But this one, it gets the job done. Nice light fragrance to kind of pair with another perfume or body splash or whatnot. But you know. Who else is on that same trend right now of just dressing super cozy? Mainly at home, but I just feel so cozy. I love it. These are the next 3 products that I'll be using. I'm just gonna talk about them really, really quickly, and then in the next scene, you guys will see me actually using them. And then you'll see my rating for the products. So, this face mask, I got this a year ago. Mask Bar Green Foil Peel Off Mask, clean formula. It's made in Korea. I didn't know that. So this is a Korean face mask, y'all. I did not know that. But the Dollar Tree, they've been getting a lot of Korean products. Go and check your local Dollar Tree. I got another Korean face mask. I cannot wait to show you guys that. I think it's really good for like deep cleansing your pores. I honestly don't like to do peel off masks more than like once or twice a month. So if I do it twice a month, it's gonna be like once every 2 weeks. if I even do it that often. This product by Global Beauty Care. Now, a lot of you should be familiar with this brand already, but if you're not, Global Beauty Care is the main manufacturer, the main overall brand that carries Spa-scriptions. Multivitamin serum, it has vitamins B, C, E, and niacinamide. And it looks super moisturizing. The packaging, y'all, the packaging really got me. I'm so proud of the Dollar Tree. I'm so proud of y'all, just so proud. I have never in my life used one of these, but I've used a foot mask before, like foot gloves, like you put your feet in it and you tie it up or whatever, and then it helps your feet to peel and soften them and whatnot. So this is for your hand and nails. So basically you put them on like gloves and you leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes with one pair of gloves. And it is uplifting, nourishing, and softening. Basically, they just said to clean your hands, place, yeah, just use this for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and then take it off. You don't have to rinse, you just moisturize your hands with the excess product. So, the first ingredient is water and the second ingredient is glycerin. So it's gonna do something. Glycerin, it's one of like the main moisturizing ingredients that they use in like everything. So